Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TripLog EV mileage tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the TripLog app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download TripLog. Once the app is open, click on the Sign Up button if you are a new user. Enter your email address and create a password. After you fill in your information, tap on the Create Account button. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from TripLog. Click on the link provided in that email to activate your account. Now, return to the TripLog app and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find the subscription or upgrade option. Select the type of subscription that suits your needs. Review the pricing details and features included in each plan. Choose a payment method and enter your payment details securely. After confirming your payment, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. You can now use the premium features of the TripLog app. Explore the various options for mileage tracking available to you. Start tracking your EV mileage effectively with your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.